Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sitting in Chop Chop Walk. As you probably follow me on Instagram, you probably have realized I was craving sushi for the last so many days. So today it's Friday night and I decided to go and try some sushi. Finally, I'm here and this is the first time I've been to Chop Chop Walk, so I'm hoping the sushi is really nice. But let's see how it is. Okay, so this is the sushi in a bowl. I had no idea it would come in a bowl. This is the chef selection. We definitely have the sabi here, wasabi, and we have the ginger. I apologize for the background noise. I don't know, I'm so skeptical to try it. That is like, oops, pretty average. The tom yum ghee is more sweeter than sour. Mine is 5 out of 10. I don't like the sweet flavor. It's tom yum ghee. It's not supposed to be sweet. It does have a zing to it, but it's very mild. I'm gonna try the sushi. I'm not impressed with the sushi, but let's see how it tastes like. I'm gonna try the wasabi first. The wasabi is strong, which is good. This is the tuna, this is the red snapper. I think this is the salmon. So let's try the red snapper. You didn't finish your food. Were you full? Was it too much?
Yeah.
I thought the make a bowl thing didn't quite work because the noodle and the beef didn't quite add up as well as it did the last time I was there. But the accidental bowl we got with the rice and stir-fried beef, that was excellent. I mean, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. The make a bowl thing, I'd give it like another 6 out of 10.
And I give this noodles a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, my turn. Okay, so where should I start? For me, I would say that the food was disappointing for me, as I honestly feel I ordered the wrong sushi. I ended up ordering a sashimi, and which is not a rice base, it's just raw fish, right? Loved the raw fish. It was very fresh. It had a lot of flavor. I would say a lot. It had flavor, but I was really missing the rice element, the sticky rice. The food, however, the tom yum ghee was a little on the sweeter side. I was expecting something more, sour than and sweet, so that was a disappointment. The soup was slightly cold. It's very difficult to satisfy my taste buds, I feel. So to me, I would give this restaurant, it's a pretty average restaurant. I would rate this 5 out of 10. This restaurant definitely needs another review, as I would order the right kind of sushi. The quantity was great, but I feel next time when we come in, definitely order the nigiri sushi. That's with the rice base. I'm going to Baskin Robbins now. I'm too disappointed.